the way we make it.
Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This type shit have you wildin'. Last minute tricks to the islands. Drip, drip, drip when you sliding. Drip, 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 baby, riding. Don't hesitate when you in it 'cause you know I like it. Taking up a date for you. Sweet baby, nigga, when you bite it. Can't just keep talking about it. We need to walk in the body. Can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get wild. Take me for a ride, boy. Show me your outside, boy. Know it's been a while, boy. I wanna get wild. I wanna drive you crazy. Pull up inside me, baby. Fucking it up like Lucy Days. Ain't no way for him but some maybes. Don't be wrapped up in that shit like you lazy. I need you to roll up in that shit like you scared. Ain't a hold up on that shit, I hate waiting. Shoot your shot and be patient. This type shit have you wildin'. Last minute tricks to the islands. Drip, drip, drip when you sliding. Drip, 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 baby, riding. Don't hesitate when you in it 'cause you know I like it. Taking up a date for you. Sweet baby, nigga, when you bite it. Can't just keep talking about it. We need to walk in the body. Can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get wild. Take me for a ride, boy. Show me your outside, boy. Know it's been a while, boy. I wanna get wild. Oh yeah, you know you try one time. Baby, bring it to me, try one night. No, I need it with me just one time, 2 times, a few times. You know that I need it to me, baby, right on time. Baby, bring it to me, try one night. I'm putting it overtime and overdrive.
Dímelo, turn me round, treat me like a watch, bust me down. On the kitchen floor, right on that towel. It's mine, and I want it now. Ow. Tell me how you want it. Put me on my back, on my stomach. Baby, let me blow it like a trumpet. I could do it all. I could probably suck a watermelon through a straw. Believe me, every other day, new wig, new hair. Come take me out this smooth glare. I be waiting on you some long. Durage up down low like bombs. Suede boom. Nothing but a robe in your house. I wanna put these pretty pink toes in your mouth. Send news to your phone while you working. Boy, you gotta see it in person. Believe me.
Can't just keep talking about it. We need to talk about it. We can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get wild. Can we get it together? I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you.
Baby, does he do it for you? When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know, 'cause your time is money and I won't let him waste it. Oh no, no. Baby, just go with it, 'cause when you're with me I can't explain it. It's just different. We can take it slow, or act like you're my girl. Let's get the basics
driving season. That time of year when we find a man to keep us warm through these cold months.
But not just any man will do.
That's right. We out here looking for some
big boys.
Their arms keeps me warm in the winter snowstorm. When chill is biting, but his jacket's unzipped. He bring in my groceries in just one trip. Till the sun comes back, I need a big boy hottie. Mix his own heat with his big boy body. For the next 3 months, skinny boys is dead. Forget a 6-pack, I need the whole damn bag. Big boy with a big old bag. A California king, refrigerator stack. With steaks on steaks on steaks on steaks on steaks. Butter, bacon, cheese, and lasagna in the tray. Need an enormous man with an enormous hand. Feeds me snacks with his enormous hands. And I hope he asks me to be his winter wife. Cause messing with a big boy will change you, Lord. It's cuffing season. All the girls be needing. Need a big boy. I want a big boy. Give me a big boy. I need a big boy body like a bouncer. Big mouth breather and legs like a monster. Get in the bed and he gonna do me right. And when we all done, he gonna snore all night. And then he stops. I just wanna rock you all night long.
Ladies, drama, leave it home. If he ain't got it right by now, then scratch him off. He just called me, said it's about 20 strong. They standing at the door, they wanna take us on. The ring, let it go about 3 months ago. The pain, the stress, that ain't me no more. The girl that they used to know done changed. Now they say I miss before they mention my name.
Y'all, I was gonna bump like this. Y'all didn't think that I could bump like this. That I told y'all I was gonna bump like this. Turn around and I make it jump like this. Wanna keep that body, make it jump like this. Y'all didn't think that I could make it jump like this. See, I told y'all was gonna jump like this. How you not gonna know it when it hits like this?
664 came up real slow, put a good game on me. Told him, partner, don't get too close, so comfortable, cause the quick ain't for me. Got my girls all here, me, so spare me, please, all your personal info. I ain't thinking about love, I just wanna get it up, pop a bottle, talk a lot of bullish, and let's go.
Y'all, I was gonna bump like this. Y'all didn't think that I could bump like this. That I told y'all I was gonna bump like this. Turn around and I make it jump like this. Wanna keep that body, make it jump like this. Y'all didn't think that I could make it jump like this. See, I told y'all was gonna jump like this. How you not gonna know it when it hits like this?
Tonight ain't feeling no. To my girls that's looking their best, won't you go and show it off for us? Ladies, don't throw your hands up. And if he's all in your head, just forget all the things that he said. Credit is yours, do whatever you want to.
Hear these words out my mouth now. Tell you how it's going down. Kelly, EVE, we coming through and got them bowing down. Ladies, can you feel it? It's an anthem you can bounce around. Yeah, you just accept to take your breath. Bring it back now. Dudes get excited, seeing what they like. Hoping they the one you choose. Hope they get invited. Late night rendezvous is alright, but we loving how the club vibrating. It's enticing. Let the beat knock. Trust me, we ain't gonna stop. Head to the lights up. Watch us take over the spot. Few mad looks from them chicks you know, and from them dudes who be jealous of a chick with dough. Pop another bottle for them. Keep my life moving. No time for the drama. Watch me blow through them. I know I sound confident. I'm supposed to though. We do it big. How we live. Kelly told you so. Come on.
Told y'all I was gonna bump like this. Y'all didn't think that I could bump like this. Told y'all I was gonna bump like this. Turn around and I make it jump. All my ladies,
Wanna keep that body, make it jump like this.
y'all didn't think that I could make it thump like this.
Told y'all was gonna jump like this.
How you not gonna know it when it hit like this?
I might just call and catch a play. I might just come see you today. You wait on don't stuck up in my ways, but love it when I'm playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together, you must forever. That's why I cannot go away. I leave you screaming anything. You find a way to keep me in. Make me think it through some magic game. And like you did it. Yeah. Don't be tripping, I'll be there in a minute. You get it, baby, and I'll be there. Be there.
I might just call and catch a plane. I might just come see you today. You wait, I'm stuck up in my ways. But love it when I'm playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together, you must forever. That's why I cannot go away. I leave you screaming anything. You find a way to keep me in. kind of done with this one. Alright, I think we're kind of done with this one.